everybody. So, I haven't posted a video in probably, I don't know. But today, I wanted to do something really fun for you guys. So today, as the title says, today we are going to be making DIY doll Play-Doh. So, here I already have 3. I have blue, I have yellow, and I have a brown. Now, I have 3 more that I wanted to make. I was like, maybe I should make some on my YouTube channel. So, you will need these, the paint cans. I cut mine all up, so they're just one. I haven't cut these off and that off yet, but that's what we're gonna do. And I already filled mine with clay. I have like a dark green kind of color, a very light purple, and kind of like a sandy color. So I have well, they're not the exact same matching colors, but I just found the closest one I could find. So I have pink, brown, and green. I don't have glue at the moment, so I'm going to be having to use double-sided tape. This isn't double-sided, but I'm going to make it double-sided. Some scrap paper and scissors. So I'm going to start with, let's go with the dark green. So as you see here, I'm going to open it up, and the first tip right there, I'm going to cut that off. So since this is not a thick plastic, it should be easy to take off, cut. One time I tried it and I was like, oh, I can't do it, because I wasn't even pressing down. But I cut that, and let's do the next one. So once I do the last one, I'm going to cut off where it connects the bottle and the cap. So I'm going to do that to all of mine, so I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I have did that to all of mine. I cut them off, and I made them just like a little container. So I did that to all of mine. Now we just need to like glue on the colors on the top. So you just want to cut out little circles and basically just glue or tape them on. So I'm going to do one and then do the rest off camera. So I'm going to do the brown. So basically, I'm just going to draw a circle. I did this a bunch of times, so I might know how big I need it. So here that is. Now I'm going to cut the tape. Yeah. Okay, so the rest I'm going to do off camera now, so I will see you in a minute. So I finished all of them, and I'm going to show you all of them. So first the ones that I already made. So the blue, the brown, and the yellow. Now the ones that I just made. The sandy color, dark green, and the very light purple. So that is all for today. You can make as many of these as you want. I only made 6 because that's only what came in it. But I will see you guys later.